Hey guys, Jerry here with Tiki 71. Today I'm going to show you a quick, down and dirty, easy way to get your furniture sealed, your outdoor furniture. Now, you can use boiled linseed oil, you can use teak oil on your bare wood furniture. If you do that, you need to wait about a week, and then you can do this. What I've done is I've gotten me some traffic coming by. Out here is some Thompson's water sealer, and I bought a cheap little 1-gallon sprayer. I got her all pumped up, and I'm just going to spray this thing down. I'm going to spray it all down real good, let it soak in. It takes about 48 hours for this stuff to soak in. You need to make sure it stays dry for that time. This is probably the easiest way to do it. Just slather it on. I've got some painter's plastic down here. I'm going to do the bottom first, and then I'm going to flip them over. If you've got exposed ends, you want to seal that up real good as well. These low-cost Adirondack chairs are just thirsty as can be. If I put them out, I don't think they'd make it a season, weathering. So doing this is going to protect the wood, especially from the rain and all that. It would have rotted real easy, as thirsty as this wood is. So this is going to be good, cheap protection to make sure these things last a very long time. Like I said, this is probably the easiest way to get this stuff on. Just get you a sprayer and spray this stuff on. I'm going to let it sit out here all day today, and then I'll bring it in the garage tonight. And here in a couple of days, they'll be ready to go.